Hi, this is Caroline for SewCanShe Studio Chat number 23. I'm so excited to show you something that I released earlier this week, and I really don't want you to miss it. It is this cute little box pouch pattern. Now, actually, these two zippers are supposed to be on the front. In this step-by-step photo tutorial, I show you how to put in a large handbag zipper like this with 2 zipper pulls. And why 2 zipper pulls? Because look how fun this is to open the case all the way. All of the seams on the inside of the case are fully enclosed, and I have already started using the practice cases that I made when I was developing this little pattern for my cosmetics. My daughter stole one for her makeup. I'm getting ready to go on a trip, and I'm so excited to pack sewing supplies. As you can probably tell, I sewed up a whole bunch so that I could get the pattern just right. And one of the features that some of you readers asked me to put on this little pouch is the piping. I put piping on both the top and the bottom of this little box pouch, which is a really great way to hide any irregularities, or if your sewing isn't exactly straight or your sewing around the corners isn't a perfect curve. People don't notice that when you have piping on your project because their eye just is drawn to the piping and they don't notice anything else. So I really hope that you will try this tutorial and you will let me know how it turned out. Just post a picture on Instagram and tag me at SewCanShe and I will take a look. Now you might have noticed this thing right here that is out over my sewing table and my extremely messy sewing table. Well, I have been hard at work making another video sewing course for you. This is actually my overhead camera that goes onto my sewing space, and this is my favorite bag. The favorite bag pattern is a bag pattern that I have been working so many hours and so hard on for you. Every step is documented using the overhead camera and also using another camera next to my sewing machine, so you see exactly how I do it. So visit my blog for more information. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos, and you can also sign up for my free newsletter where I send out a free sewing tutorial link every day. Keep on sewing, and I'll talk to you later.